Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make a cheesy smoked beef mac and cheese, and these are the ingredients. I have a box of fresh milk, but you can use any kinds of milk if you don't have a fresh milk. Chopped smoked beef, 2 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper as you need, and here I have a shredded quick melted cheese and cheddar cheese. You can use the cheese of your choice, salted butter, all-purpose flour, and the last ingredient is cooked elbow macaroni. First, chop the garlics into small pieces. Make sure that all the garlics are chopped. And here I've preheated my pot and I'm adding my 2 tablespoons of butter. Then add the chopped garlics into the pot. Fry the garlics until its color changes to golden brown, and don't forget to give it a stir. After the garlic is ready, I'm going to add my chopped smoked beef and fry it until it cooks. Put the cooked smoked beef out when it cooks and melt 2 tablespoons of butter again to cook the cheesy mac and cheese. And then add 2 tablespoons of flour and don't forget to mix it up until the flour and the butter is well combined. Pour 3 cups of milk to the pot and bring it to boil. When the milk is ready, add the shredded cheese, salt, and pepper. Mix it up. Wow, the milk is boiling. It is time for me to add my cooked elbow macaroni and the cooked smoked beef. Stir, stir, stir until the smoked beef all coated with the mac and cheese. Your cheesy smoked beef, mac and cheese is ready to be served. Looks yummy, right? Thanks for watching.